Hello learns. In this particular video we understand grouping elements need. While developing any web page, there may be needed for us to develop some pages like about us, terms and conditions, news report, etc., which would contain a lot of textual information. In that situation we might commonly come across the below mentioned scenarios. The need to associate mandatory visual spacing between logical portions of the textual description so as to improve text readability. Have a look at the below About Us page, for example. The page provides a basic description of what the website essentially does and also details what it especially offers to its members. Logically, these two descriptions are separate and the same need to be conveyed visually to the user as well so that the readability of web page content is achieved. The need to highlight the topic headings. For example, in the below Terms and Conditions page, the topic headers like limited license, terms policy, etc. are highlighted so that the user can quickly differentiate the respective topic description on the web page. 3. The need to group various portions of a web page for various reasons like applying some common styling. For example, in the below screen, descriptions related to limited license, copyright, terms policy needs to be grouped for applying a common style of black color text. This is why HTML introduced grouping elements.